my name is Stanley and thank you for watching my channel. I'm from RC Tank Legion and today we're going to show you our new product made specifically for the Heng Long T90, and it is our new product, the HSAB or hull strengthening aluminium brace, made specifically for the Heng Long. It is a laser precision cut kit and comes with machined aluminium braces. So what you need to do is you need to open up your T90 upper and lower hulls, and of course you remove the screws, and I'm just going to pop it right off, and of course remove all the wires that goes with. So once you have that removed, all you need to do is assemble the brace kit as supplied and quickly do a dry fit. Dry fit means put it on without gluing them on. All you need to do is slot them on into the appropriate slots. Make sure there's no wires or speakers in the way, and if you can see, it fits on perfectly. Hey guys, so the HSAB kit is supplied with two side plates, one bar and one rod, which are threaded, and it's supplied with the bolts, with the countersunk heads. So all you need to do is bolt them up. You don't have to over tighten them, and just dry fit with your lower hull. Okay, this is the lower hull for, and then once everything fits up, lines up nicely, you can, after dry fitting, you can mark the areas where the bar will fit, especially in the slots and all that, and then clean the surfaces with alcohol or equivalent. Okay, clean everything you see over here, and it might be useful to remove the gearbox to do this installation so you don't get any epoxy on it as well. Okay, so you need to mix up a batch of epoxy, and then you put the epoxy on the lower hull itself, applying within the marks where you marked earlier with the Sharpie. Okay, apply to both sides. You have to work real quick if you're using the 5-minute epoxy. Okay, once that is done, quickly slot in your new HSAB kit, and you don't really have to clamp this in place, but basically put it in the correct position. If it's popping up, you can put some weights to press it down, make sure it's in the right position, and use this time to quickly clean up any excess globs of epoxy that might be oozing out and stuff like that, because you don't want to clean it when it's hard, or else you have to chip it off or cut it off. That's as easy as it looks. This I would grade as quite an easy to do upgrade. It doesn't involve any cutting. You just need to assemble, and of course you need to work with epoxy. Of course, working with epoxy, you need to be very careful of where your spatula or your tool touch and all that, because you don't want to make a mess. And a good idea to wear rubber gloves while you work with epoxy. Okay, so after applying the epoxy, everything is put back in, nice and strong now. And I found out that the risers in the upper hull, it looks like this. You need to cut off right over here, one over here I think, yeah, and one over here. You just cut it off with a hobby cutter. They look like these. Just cut it off and you're good to go. So much different. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video on our new product and the tutorial on how to install this very simple and very effective kit. And I hope you guys know about our upcoming event this weekend on the 13th and 14th of July, and we are having our next RC Tank Biathlon event held in Battlefield Metropolis. It will be fun. I hope you guys can join us there, and maybe for the next one, which will be held on the 5th and 6th of October 2019. That will be held in MALAYSIA. It's indoors, it's inside the expo hall, it will be air conditioned, it will be awesome, and lots of other people will be there from all the various hobbies of RC and Tamiya 4-wheel drive and all the scale hobby stuff. So I hope to see you in the next one. And if you have any feedback or suggestions on how to do my next video, please feel free in the comment below. And of course you can get this kit also available at in the description below. And as always, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.